Well, a soup plate or dish or bowl, really, not of the size to really call an English soup plate. This is by Hollinshead and Kirkham, dates from 1932, and the pattern is called Quebec, which is a very stylised Imari-esque colour palette, Edwardian in its design, really, absolutely of its era. A lovely, unusual shape, squared, but then with a round soup bowl, about an inch tall at the rim, although it is slightly curved and does flare upwards in the corners. And then this beautiful rose design with the blockwork divided by the rich dark cobalt, and that little square and dot border detailing is just lovely. Very nice and clean. Glaze is in good condition. There's the Quebec unicorn mark for Hollinshead and Kirkham, made in Tunstall, England, and it's impress marked 332 for March 1932. A very nice, clean and collectible piece of Quebec china. Not easy to find, wasn't made in massive volumes, so to find a piece in such good condition, somebody somewhere's going to have a set of this and will desperately want some additional pieces as it comes to the market. Description link below will take you through to the website listing. Click on that, take you through to our Hollinshead and Kirkham listing for this particular soup bowl. Thanks for watching.